Hello all. This is my day's progress. It was a big day of programming and machining. I realized while it was cutting, it's always fun watching your machine cut your own project. I haven't cut my own project out on this machine in a long time. I do a lot of signs for people, skateboard molds, all that kind of stuff, but I haven't done something for myself in a long time. That was kind of fun. Something for my hot rod. So the logo worked out pretty good with the ebony stain. The ebony stain should keep the light off the windshield and keep the sunlight off my screen so I can see better. There's the holes for the oil pressure gauge and USB port. I decided in the end, instead of pinning it together with 1/4 inch dowels, I just use the bolts, and I can get back in there later if I ever have a problem, if the USB connector's coming out or something. So I did make it so that it just docks right on the USB connector in there. I thought I could just pinch it in the wood, but in the end I couldn't get it to line up very good like that. So I did indeed epoxy it in place. I slipped the tablet in place, epoxied it, let it dry, and that seemed to work pretty good. What else can I tell you? I still got to pre-drill the holes and screw the top on, and then mount it. Once again, I'd show you tablet in place, but I'm filming with it, so that's not going to happen. Tomorrow I'll finish it up, both the gauges in, and give you another look. So yeah, that was fun. That was a good day. That's the little fan I'm going to put on the back. Long day. Nighttime now. Time to go watch a movie, hang out with Jaffrey, see what he's doing. Probably wants to battle for a while. Okay, over and out. I'll see you tomorrow.